Hey, look. How much I'm putting. I am doing better, as you guys can see, because this is literally the day after I vlogged yesterday. We are going to get acai bowls right now. Guys, we got our bowls.
Hi guys, we got our bowls. Oh my god. So listen, I got the beach. The beach, it's pretty much like a straw. It's pretty much just an acai with some granola and some honey with some strawberries on top.
Guys, I bought these what the fuck? I have gum taste.
What is like?
In my mouth. Bomb. I already know it's gonna be bomb, so. Where did you come from?
Whoa.
Where did you come from? Oh, this is Lambo.
Huh?
Hi. Oh my god, I want you. I want you. What? Oh my god, look at his paws. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, guys. So we are with mom. Say hi, mom. We're going to go pick up the boy, the baby. Well, we're gonna go get him. We don't know if he's coming home today. So
if it's meant to be, it will be.
If it's meant to be, it will be. If not, we're not getting a dog out of there. I don't care. I'm serious. Save your money. If we don't get him, we're not getting anyone else. Like,
Not even Oliver?
oh, yeah. Oliver was a cute little thing. Oh. Hi. Oh my god, he be in shit.
Yup.
He be. Oh, it's giving Nori. Boy, he's such a cutie.
I know that you're.
I know how they go like that. Is so cute. Brown sugar.
Yeah.
Can I get two of those?
Exactly the same way?
Do you want venti or grande?
Venti.
Yeah, the same, exactly
Oh
the
my
same one.
god. No, actually, a grande.
Actually, a grande, please, on the side.
Hi,
We're not
buddy.
gonna start yet, okay?
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, we have to train him and stuff.
Oh.
For the most part.
Hello, you guys. It's a few days later. We are going to Five Below right now because the puppy does not have any, like a bowl or a bed yet. So we are getting that right now. Five Below is kind of far from like where we live, but it's okay because they have good shit. If you know, you know.
What are we guessing?
Excuse me. Look at all this cute shit. They have like a whole bag for your dog inside the cart. Huh? This is so cute. Look. We got a grill! We got a grill, guys. She's doing mom stuff. We love her for that. Look at it, guys. He's doing good. Eating a girl's up. Good morning. This is what my mom has for us today. He just chases her. He's
Look at there. Look at this. Popping bottles.
oh shit.
Prosecco, rosé. Put them on my sauce. Okay.
That's good?
Yeah. Okay, it's not.
I don't know how much I'm putting in here. In the salon, I'm gonna get my nails done too, guys. Look, guys, I'm gonna get these done too. So, yeah. I'll tell you guys along.